Are you keep getting your iPhone is currently unable to access cellular data or make and receive calls or messages on your iPhone? If you're experiencing an issue where your iPhone cannot access cellular data and you see a message saying, "Cellular issue," don't worry. To solve this issue, follow only these 4 processes to solve your problem. Solution 1. Enable airplane mode. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Please wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This can help refresh the cellular connection, and often this can fix your issues. Solution 2. Reset network settings on your iPhone can help fix software-related problems without deleting your data. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset all your personalized network-related settings to default values, so you must set them up again. Solution 3. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update to check for any available updates. If none of these above steps resolve the problem, contacting your cellular carrier is recommended. They can check for any network outage in your area and provide further assistance or troubleshooting steps specific to your carrier's network. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.